Praise the Lord, friends. Greetings from Father Franklin D'Souza. I am from the Diocese of Shimoga. Diocese of Shimoga comprises of 3 districts, namely Chitradurga, Shimoga and Davangere. We have a beautiful shrine over here, Our Lady of Health, Harihar. Harihar comes or falls in the district of Davangere. We have brought out a very important documentary DVD upon this shrine. 217 years back, a poor Brahmin, when he was taking bath, he was slipped and fell into the water. As he was crying for his life, he got a image of Mother Mary, which is still there in the shrine. From that time onwards, thousands of people have been attracted in the shrine by the power of Mother Mary, where they experience the healing touch of the Lord through the powerful intercession of Mother Mary. I invite you for the feast this year. From August 30th, it begins with the flag hoisting. Then September 8th, the last day, there will be Holy Eucharist in different languages. There will be 3 healing adorations, and there will be a grand procession. So all those who are not yet visited, I invite you. And Father Reverend Dr. Anthony Peter is the present rector and parish priest. You can contact him anytime. You have the facilities there whenever you want to go. Saturday there are novenas, evening 5:30, rosary, procession, novena and healing prayers. And Sunday morning 8 o'clock there is mass. So visit this place, experience God's healing touch. Wish you all the best. Amen.